Looking at the Spark 50 4G, I won't say they copied the other guys. Let's just focus on the Spark. The new TECNO Spark 50 4G claims it was built specifically to fix most compromises without breaking the bank. I reviewed the Spark 40 last year and also a long-term review earlier this year. I have a very clear picture of where TECNO is coming from with this lineup. Today we are going to look into what is new, what has stayed the same, and whether this new 6700 mAh beast is actually worth your hard-earned money, especially considering it is expected to launch around 200,000 naira a year in Nigeria and roughly 180 globally. First impressions matter, and TECNO really stepped up the aesthetic. Looking at the back panel on screen, it rocks what looks like a triple camera setup, which is slightly different from the 5G variants. Smaller camera island. You have got a massive variety of colorways to match your vibe. We have the halo blue, titanium gray, ink black, bloom pink, dynamic orange, and the gorgeous aura purple. But it's the feel in the hand that surprised me. It doesn't have that hollow, cheap plastic feeling you usually get at this price. It has a solid, dense weight to it. The back panel features a flagship level texture that feels metallic and strong. Durability is a massive selling point this year. The Spark 50 carries a certified SGS 1.8 meter drop resistance rating. That means if it takes an accidental tumble from a shoulder height, it's built to survive the impact. Pair that with an IP64 dust and water resistant rating and this phone becomes a massive tank. If you are caught in the rain, working in a dusty environment, or get splashed in the kitchen, you'll be fine. Down at the bottom, we get a 3.5mm headphone jack, a rare treasure these days. Alongside it is a stereo speaker setup. It might not be the absolute loudest on the market, but having audio blast from both sides when watching videos in landscape gives you a surprisingly wholesome experience. Flipping to the front, you are greeted by a 6.7 inches 120Hz IPS LCD display. It's a 720p panel with some noticeable bezels, which is very similar to what we had on the Spark 40. Because it's an LCD and not an AMOLED panel, your blacks won't be pitch black, but the color reproduction is highly enjoyable. The Spark 50 is running Android 16 powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 processor. Now, if you recall my Spark 40 review, that device also uses the G81. So in terms of raw computing power, the performance is a direct similarity. It handles your day-to-day tasks perfectly. Social media, TikTok, browsing, and casual gaming are all incredibly smooth. Where the software really shines is in the new TECNO's AI integration. You get Ask Ella alongside AI writing tool to help you compose emails and captions effortlessly. But the standout innovation is the FreeLink 2.0. Imagine you are at a crowded concert or a remote area with zero network signal, no data, no Wi-Fi. FreeLink allows you to make peer-to-peer calls and send voice notes, text, and images directly to other TECNO devices up to 1.5 kilometers away. Now let's talk about the biggest difference from last year, the battery. The Spark 40 had a great 5200 mAh battery, but the Spark 50, it packs a monstrous 6700 mAh battery. For a heavy user, it easily survives a full working day with about 12 to 13% left by the next morning. For an average user, you are looking at a legitimate 2-day smartphone. We are talking roughly 28 hours of continuous YouTube playback or 180 hours of music listening. The trade-off here is the charging speed. The Spark 40 spoiled us with 45 watts fast charging, but the Spark 50 steps down to an 18 watts charger. Because the battery is so massive, it takes well over 2 hours to top up. Finally, let's talk about lenses. On the rear side, we have a 50 megapixel main sensor, and on the front side, we have an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. The 50 megapixel rear camera is the star of the show. You also get premium software additions like Flash Snap, which eliminates blur when capturing fast-moving objects like kids or pets, and live photos to bring your memories to life. So what's the final verdict? At that expected price of around 200,000 naira, the TECNO Spark 50 4G takes the solid processor and display foundation of the Spark 40 and wrap it in a much tougher shell. You are getting an indestructible SGS-certified build, futuristic FreeLink connectivity, and a massive battery that simply refuses to die. If you don't mind the slower charging speed and the 4GB of physical RAM limit, the phone is an absolute survivor that fits perfectly into the real world. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Would you trade fast charging for a 2-day 6700 mAh battery? Drop a like if you found this helpful. Make sure you are subscribed to All Round Review. My name is Mr. Roy and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.